Hello guys, Claudemir here with a quick video on how to find out the IP of your security camera. Let's say, for example, you have a Hikvision, you don't know the IP. In this case, I know the IP, but I'm going to pretend that I don't, then we can find out. Here I have my computer connected to a switch, and there's a cable from the Hikvision camera and another cable from the Samsung camera. This is a PoE switch, so this cable powers the camera directly, and from here I connect to my laptop. And also I have cable to the internet. Okay, I'm not using it, but I have the cable to the internet. So the idea is that the software can broadcast the information to the switch and look for cameras. Let me just come back here to the computer. So close here the camera and open the software. In this case, I'm using the SADP for Hikvision, and it finds the camera in the network. It's pretty easy and pretty fast. What it does is the broadcast looking for IP cameras. As you can see, there's no information about the Samsung cameras, only the Hikvision cameras, all right? So here's the IP, and doesn't matter if I have a different range of IP, the software is going to find it because it looks for the MAC address of the camera. Of course, you have to change your computer to the same range so you can open it. In this case, if I double click here, it brings the web browser and I can log in and see my camera live again as we saw before. Okay, let me just close here, and now I'm going to use another software. This is the Wisenet device manager for the Samsung camera. And of course, it's going to look for the Samsung camera, not the Hikvision cameras anymore. This one is pretty different. It's a professional one. So when I hit search, it starts searching for cameras. Already found my camera here. So I will just cancel the search here because it's trying to find more cameras. And as you can see, it's only one camera. It doesn't see the Hikvision one because it's supposed to find Wisenet camera, Samsung camera, or Hawa cameras, okay? They're all the same. So that's the idea. This is more advanced than the Hikvision one. As you can see, I just stop here. I can see the image from the camera, and I can control a lot of features of the camera from here, and also can right click and change stuff here, network diagnosis and stuff like this, and also can have a live view from the camera. And as you can see here, the login is okay, and then it brings me the information and the image from this camera. As you can see, pretty advanced one for the Wisenet cameras. All right, so that's the idea. You can use the IP tools to find the camera. So those are IP discovery tools for cameras. Every manufacturer has its own tool. Okay, I have another videos here in the channel about other ways to find the camera. If you have a camera that doesn't have this discovery tool, for example, there are different ways you can do it. Okay, so look for another videos here in the channel. If you have a different camera, if you don't have a brand on your camera, it's a cheap camera, you don't know the brand or things like that. All right, guys, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up, your comments, and also click the bell to receive notification. Okay, thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.